Hey, Miss Sitsi, Pasian pennies of Oduro. So what do we chimney ever and so our hope? So what do we this time around? Young person, you better talk about Sia for so, but so what you see, I bet trap. O content in South Sudan, Abuana Bill, when you say, Akuramono Pampers, and who feel what the Abuana Bill. So what do
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagan and some TV show. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say that next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their wagging or comment section for them. Say the money down if Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President and major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section or major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I Mr. President and major also sir. Kwede o baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and many kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Bl00dy president. Now also the power by India so selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu idie. Ya me ni amre am fa the Messiah Dr. Bl00dy amade na sase bebe fie. Na once again me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne ya amanyo sem nye print ne amanyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabiti Manful in him, your mouth to me, say, Fabe, it is all your software, or your ordinary Ghanaian, or your educationist, or your medical doctor, or your one once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I did be a home bachelor.
Hey, Miss Sitsi, Pasian pennies of Oduro. So what do we chimney ever and so our hope? So what do we this time around? Young person, you better talk about Sia for so, but so what you see, I bet trap. O content in South Sudan, Abuana Bill, when you say, Akuramono Pampers, and who feel what the Abuana Bill. So what do we chimney about Bawumia so and I send you from pay for this one? Me say, what about that war for crop? Pasian penny bit is our 119 says so holy.
Gets that he's no longer campaigning and he's no longer allowed to visit violence on people, which is his forte. That's all he knows. Visit violence on people, ride motorbikes around in a horrendous manner, in an indisciplined manner, and visit mayhem on people. That's all he knows. We don't know why President Mahama has foisted this guy on us. He's at YEA. He's not doing. Yesterday, he went on his social media page. Instead of telling us what is happening at YEA to encourage the young people that YEA is working, this is what he wrote. YEA boss, look at what he wrote. That man called H.E. John Dramani Mahama. Talk and do. What would Ghanaians have been without you? We are grateful, sir. The unborn generation is grateful. Oh, where is the thing he said the thing was used for, the plane was used for restaurants and Mahama has revived it? That's what I'm looking for. He said here that, he's talking about the plane anyway. He said there's a new Air Ghana. So yesterday there was report that Air Ghana is a company that has acquired a new plane for cargo purposes. Now, Malik Basintali comes on social media and thinks that the Air Ghana that is being talked about is the new Ghana Airways that President Mahama promised. I mean, viewers, can you imagine that? A chief executive of YEA. He's so clueless, completely clueless. He doesn't understand anything. And he won't learn anything. Nobody has understanding from your mother's womb. We all learn. You can learn. There's no problem with that. People have been ministers at age 29. John Ajekunko, for whom they don't respect, he was deputy minister at age 29. He learned. So you can learn. There's nothing wrong with learning.
By the NPP suggesting that the NDC must disassociate itself. We must come out publicly and disassociate ourselves from the rage Kevin Ekotela directed at President Kufuor, the former president of Ghana. We will never do that today. We will never do that tomorrow. He who calls for equity must come with clean hands. You have trained your social media hoodlums, your social media activists, to be insulting a sitting president, and that is not a problem for you. But you have an issue with Kevin Taylor attacking a former president. Why? Are you trying to suggest that the blood that flows through your former president is better than the blood that flows through the sitting president of Ghana? If you want the insult in politics to stop, then you first have to train your social media communicators on how to communicate devoid of insult. But since you train them to be attacking the president, we will also give you the same service. We will give you the same measure until your people change from attacking the sitting president. Your former president will also face the consequences that will be following. We will not apologize today. We will not apologize tomorrow. Kevin Taylor will not apologize today. Kevin will not apologize tomorrow. If you want any apology, then start apologizing to the president of Ghana from 2016. How you people insulted him, vilified him, subjected him to disrespect even till now. And you have the guts to come out and say that we should come and apologize to you, MPP. Recently, some of your communicators on social media insulted President John Dramani Mahama in just about a week or two. Insulted him. That is not a big deal for you. But a big deal is that Kevin Taylor has insulted the former president. It is a one person, yabe didi kufuatem, na ya didi President kufuatem na ebe ya woya. So try your possible best and teach your people how to do politics without insult. If you're Pokua, you can talk to your social media communicators. I am sure you have been seeing your social media activists insulting President Mahama and you are happy about it. We are also happy about what Kevin Taylor is doing. If you don't want that, you stop it. We will also stop it. And yes, sir.
He's a very decent guy. He was a managing director of the Ghana Airports Company as well. Charles Asare is cool, you know. I don't know whether he himself declined politics because he suffered under politics quite a bit. And so it is possible that he said he doesn't want to do it again. I don't know. But if he didn't say that, he should have been one of those people around John Mohammed's cabinet table. Such a big brain, very intelligent man, Charles Asare. Charles Asare here has been appointed by President Mahama a year ago, May 2025, to lead the resuscitation of the national airline. We used to call it Ghana Airways, and when Kofi came, they changed it to Ghana International Airlines. Charles Asare is there. Malik Basintale is so lazy, so arrogant, that he couldn't pick up a phone and call Charles Asare when he saw the Air Ghana story to say, Chief, are we there? Are we where we are supposed to be? Did you bring the plane? So that Charles Asare will explain to him that no, Air Ghana has nothing to do with us. He can't do it. La Tante, you see, they've just brought it to me. The plane converting to a restaurant was in 2013. You see how shameful and ignorant Malik Basintale is. Put Malik Basintale's post again. I'll come back to Charles Asare and Reddy Guzitano's photograph. You see, viewers, we have to be very serious in this country. You can't foster such ignorance on the people of Ghana as CEO of YEA. But we knew all he knows is to visit violence on people. He doesn't have anything in his head and he won't learn. And he will command land cruisers that he couldn't afford in private life. This is him. Malik, the restaurant was done in 2013. Are you a child? Where were you? 2013 is when... put the post there again. Let me see. It's painful, isn't it? This is Ghana. It's so painful. Look at this. Look at this man. Look at it. He says that our Ghana Airways was collapsed and turned into a chop bar. In 2013 is when this thing was turned into a chop bar. Who was president in 2013? Shame on Malik Basintale. Shame on his ignorance. And we should never have that in this country again. Ignorant people. Ignorant. Leading important things. Empty head. He won't learn. We were all empty heads when we came from our mother's womb. But we learn. There's a phone. You can check. It's so simple. It's so easy. Mark Zuckerberg has made life easier for all of us. You can check. The guys at the American place where they do the IT, that city, what is it called? I'll get the name. Silicon Valley boys and girls have made it easier for us. Technology is working. Only Malik Basintale with his empty head does not understand that technology is working in Ghana. He's so empty. He doesn't even check basic things. You are trying to berate MPP for creating La Tante DC-10 restaurant. You don't know that La Tante was created in 2013 at the height of John Mohammed's administration. 2013 is when it was created. Then you go and write Yadom. Charlie, this guy, hey, Ghana, this is our YEA boss. So he doesn't know that the plane that came has nothing to do with government. It is a private man who has been trying so hard over the last 20 years to secure his own cargo plane. He's a cargo company, so he uses DHL, he uses this, he uses that, he uses that. Air Ghana is Mawan Trabose's company. It is called Air Ghana, but it's not for government of Ghana. It belongs to Marwan Trabosi. I mean, Malik Basintali, can't you just pick a phone and call Charles Asari, who has been designated by President Mahama to be in charge of the resuscitation of Ghana Airways? Can't you just call Charles Asari? What is wrong with Malik Basintali? His head is so empty. Please, give me Augustus Guzitano's picture. Let me ask him a few questions. My boss, Guzitano, please, have you stopped training young people? Because me, I benefited from your training in 1999. Have you stopped training young people? Why is Malik Basintali behaving like such an empty head? Couldn't he have called Charles Asari and said that what is happening? In fact, at the minimum, Malik Basintali could have called Felix Kwachio Fosu at the minimum and said that government communication minister, have we got a new plane? Is that what it is? And then he will be told what the details are. I don't know how near Charles Asari's company is to creating the new national airline, but I know they are working on it. MPP worked on it, it didn't work, and NDC are working on it. They may be successful, I don't know, I wish them well. But how can somebody who is working at YE, who is supposed to deliver the jobs that everybody is crying about, that the jobs haven't come, the jobs haven't come, the jobs haven't come. I feel sorry for President Mahama sometimes, because when you are president, it's very tough, it's very difficult. You are doing this, doing that, and there's pressure on you. I feel sorry for President Mahama. But I don't feel sorry for Malik Basintali, because he's a young man who should just learn. He should learn quickly, and he can learn. He commands 5 Land Cruisers. Government pays his electricity bill. Government pays his water bill. Government pays his salary. Government pays his travel bill. Government pays his health bill. When I'm sick, I go to police hospital. Basintali is sick, he goes to London. It is okay. It's a government appointment. They are supposed to work for government, no problem. But you can't have all that and still come and sit down and be an empty head. That's unfortunate, and that's a sin against the people of Ghana. You cannot have all the perquisites of an appointee. You travel for sickness. You are sick. They take you to London. When all of us are sick, we go to police hospital, test 7, Rich Hospital, Kolibu. You are sick. They take you to London. It is okay. Ablakwa said that we should never do that. You people have broken every rule that you set in opposition. It is still okay. Ghana is more important. Let us work on Ghana. Then you come and talk things that show that you are such an empty head and you can't even learn. You, the CEO of YEA, you don't know the difference between Air Ghana. You don't understand cargo and passenger. You will not learn it. I didn't understand cargo and passenger when I was born. I learned it. Viewers, those of you who know it, did you know it when you were born? You learned it. Everybody learns. Why doesn't he have the humility to learn? Who does he think he is so that he doesn't have humility to learn with such an empty head? Empty head, totally empty. Why? Why are they fostering this on Ghanaians? Malik Basintali. There was a TikToker who did a video on him. I have to apologize, viewers, to show it to you. It's in Akan. He did a TikTok on Malik Basintali on this matter. Please have a look at it. Have a look at it. I'll come back.
Wait them so can copy perfume page go can hey and what's your plan already yakopon Basintali abusia when the Basintali actually can be Malik Basintali na betre enra oba betre to was say our Ghana Airways was collapsed and turned into a chop bar and named Latante DC-10 by Yanum. Thank God Air Ghana is back after many years. God bless the reign of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Your leadership is resurrecting things again. Say, dear no resurrected. Sa company our mokofa cargo ship enti a whole CEO youth employment CEO Basintali won't name the difference between cargo ship cargo plane and commercial plane. When you Ghana Airways mbacho where Air Ghana papa ya mede neto so na dia ona da ho no. The founder and owner of Air Ghana, a pioneering air logistics company, was Marwan Trabosi. No da so no. Marwan Trabosi. He established the company in 1993. And it has since become a major player in cargo services and handling Accra's Kotoka International Airport.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the aura has nothing. The aura is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fak3. as propaganda secretary, mention people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kofi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?